So
now onto the wreaths.
So in my house, you saw that I had a wall full of the
the little grapevine wreaths.
The grapevine wreaths. So you can get them at your local craft store.
They're
they come
so
in different
cheap.
sizes.
They're awesome.
Under $20, $12, very inexpensive. So you can use anything around your home in your backyard, and just take some floral wire. The floral wire that you can get at the store, and just wrap it around.
And you see she has rosemary,
which makes it smell good. So, and you can just, so we did a whole bunch already, and then you can add on some more and just twist it on there. Take the floral wire, twist it on there.
Juniper, running pine,
and then you can take
rosemary and little picks, and little sprigs of red just to dot the color and bring that out a bit. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
So simple.
And just put them all together and make a collage.
Nicely done. Thank you. My girl.